Welcome to quiltingwithlori.com. Today, I'd just like to share with you a little bit about my in-person and virtual lectures, workshops, and events. I have been playing with fabric and color. It has been my passion for over 50 years. Teaching others to join in on my love of sewing and quilting is near and dear to my heart, and the art of making has truly been a wonderful journey for me. I'm an educator, a lecturer, an author of books and ebooks. I'm a pattern designer of over 40 quilting patterns, and I do have a website, a YouTube channel, and a Facebook page, all Quilting with Lori. My in-person and virtual events engage the viewer with a wide range of quilts and techniques. I like to establish a sense of inspiration and confident knowledge in the techniques that I'm teaching to quilters. My presentations are created and presented in a professional and artistic manner, which does help to attract and hold the interest of the viewers. And here's some of my lecture information. My first lecture is my favorite 3Ds, and this is Diamonds, Dresdens, and Drunkards Pads templates. This lecture trunk show features over 30 of my favorite 3D template quilt designs with styles that will cover every quilter's favorites, from traditional to applique to modern and everything in between. The quilting templates have always been my go-to tools for piecing fast and fun quilts. And in this lecture, you're going to be inspired to pick up those quilting template rulers that have been laying around collecting dust in your sewing rooms and just have some fun designing and piecing fabulous quilts. And in my lecture, Speedy Solutions to Cut and Organize Your Scrap Stash, you are going to learn my tools of the trade, my scrapping rule, how I sort and identify value, and all of my speedy methods of turning an unorganized stash of your wrinkled fabrics into beautiful scrap stashes that are organized by size, value, or theme, ready to use to create beautiful quilts. And I do have a corresponding techniques and pattern book for this lecture. These are my Speedy Solutions techniques book and my patterns book. In my Art and Landscape Quilts by Lori lecture, I will demonstrate techniques on how I portray my love of art and nature in beautiful art and landscape quilts. This lecture will inspire you with my applique, thread, pixel, and collage techniques. And I'm going to demo how I incorporate my love of scraps in my art quilts to create visual eye appeal and drama. And in my lecture for the Love of Quilting Made Easy, it offers a wonderful overview of the entire quilting process, along with my tips that I've learned over the last 35 years since I began my quilting adventure. Now let's chat about the workshops I have available. I have 6 of them available currently on my website. Most of them are either 3-hour or 6-hour workshops. And in each of them, I teach techniques from one of my patterns. And then I offer inspiration and ideas and great fun. On my art quilt workshops, I offer 2 of them, my Ladybug Flyaway Home or my Sleepy Sunflower. In my scrap quilt workshops, I offer the Scrappy Periwinkle Basket, which uses scraps and a periwinkle template. And then I also offer my Great Starlight Pattern workshop, which really uses up a wonderful amount of your stash. The 3Ds template workshops that I offer are the Sunny Dresden's Wall Quilt and the Fruity Melons Quilt. Both of them teach wonderful techniques on how to use the variety of Dresdens as well as how to put together Drunkard's Pads. And for questions or bookings, contact me, Lori Dickman, at quiltingwithlori@gmail.com or through my website, quiltingwithlori.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I really do look forward to meeting you and your entire guild someday really soon so that we can enjoy and share our quilting journeys with one another. Happy quilting!